Hello Mzansi, the rapper Big Zulu is allegedly to have paid Lobola. He is no longer available. He was spotted in Diepkloof, Soweto together with his uncles to pay Lobola to the woman who is widely believed to be his baby mama. Y'all know Big Zulu has a lot of baby mamas. He is a Zulu man after all, and he does right by his culture. Big Zulu's name is Siyabonga Nene. He is extremely protective of his personal life. He plans to announce the news at his own time. When asked to comment, Big Zulu declined to answer. Anyway, that's it about Big Zulu and his diss track. It seems like this month of August and September is just, it's his season to shine. Anyway, congratulations to Big Zulu on the 150 bar tracks and him getting married. Till I see you again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the latest Mugosi. Bye bye.